isn't working.
What are you trying to do? Why are you trying to burn?
Because I'm putting a speaker in it. Because normally it's hard like this.
Oh.
And so I'm melting it.
I've seen this dude before, I think.
Where's
His head?
that? Yeah.
Is it a Pictionary guy?
No.
There's like
No, it's called a money.
a money?
Yeah.